This is Dr. P.S. Sagar. I am an expert in acupuncture and traditional medicine, practicing from past 16 years in Second Life Nature Cure Hospital, Banjara Hills Road number 14. So today I am going to speak about how to control stress and anxiety, which is a current burning topic for everyone. So WHO says that almost 70% diseases which are non-communicable diseases are directly or indirectly linked to stress and anxiety. So stress management has become a biggest pandemic, I can say. So everyone has some kind of stress. So every day taking a good nourished food, nutrition is essential for basic health care of your body. At the same time, you have to do certain yoga practices or like meditation or basic yoga or basic flexibility exercise. You should know how to manage your day stress. So there are n number of ways to manage stress, but today I will show you some basic acupressure points which you can consider as Nadi Yoga, part of Nadi Yoga, where you can stimulate certain vital points to manage stress, manage anxiety levels in drugless way, and they are quite effective. It has already been proven in many clinical researches and trials. So I'll show you certain points which you can perform on daily basis and manage your stress and anxiety. Managing stress anxiety is very, very essential, as 70% diseases are due to stress, and 95% diseases are being complicated by stress. So for any health issue, managing stress is a very, very vital important part. So you have to manage stress on daily basis. So let me get into the subject. So I'll show you certain points. First thing is called, in China it is called yin tang, whereas in the Indian perspective it is called Adipati Marma. So usually we put bindi or kumkum. Usually we have a ritual in Hindu culture that we have to put bindi on this area. Whenever we visit a temple, we usually put some sort of kumkum or temple. It's a common ritual. So basically the science behind it is to stimulate the pituitary gland behind it. So in kumkum we find mercury. It is made up of a stone which is having high percentage of mercury. So that mercury stimulates the pituitary gland naturally. So that is the reason we put kumkum on it. So without kumkum also you can stimulate that point daily with any finger. You can just stimulate this point like this. So give it a round clockwise stimulation in that area. So you can stimulate this area. So by stimulating this area without drug, you can control anxiety. So this is a drugless method to control your anxiety. So on daily basis, I can say at least stimulate at least 1 to 2 minutes on the daily basis, morning and evening. And you can also stimulate this area which is beside your eyes. There are some vital acupressure points which will control your stress and anxiety. So you can just massage the format which I am telling. So you can stimulate these points. Then the rotation part. So you can just massage as well as rotate. So at least you can do it for 1 or 2 minutes usually. And some vital points near the nose also, you can stimulate it like this, right? The same way you have certain points beside your mouth, so you can even stimulate these points. And last but not the least, the main crown chakra, the center point where you can stimulate. It stimulates almost more than 100 nadis from this point. So you can stimulate like this. So you can go by order. Start from this point, then from this point, then the points beside your eyes, then your nose, then your mouth. So step by step you can stimulate. You can see that hyperactiveness is coming down while you're performing these acupressure points. So on daily basis, at least spend 5 to 10 minutes by doing these points. You can do simultaneously, you can meditate with these points. So you can control your hyperactive energies in your body. You can see the difference. You can sedate your brain. You can relax your brain. So it is a best non-drug way of controlling your stress and anxiety. On daily basis you can do this. Whenever you are in some work, when you feel yourself stressed, you can perform any time of your day. So but performing on daily basis will help you, your body will be stress resistant. So doing on daily basis would help you more. And whenever you feel like doing it, just like if you feel like eating something, you feel hungry, you can go for it right away. The same way, whenever you feel anxiety, when you feel stressed, these points will definitely help you. And if you perform on daily basis, this will help you much more in controlling your non-communicable diseases, stress related diseases, and even the psychological aspects of your problems, daily life problems. So this is a very, very useful tips for everyone. I mean, you can spread this knowledge to your friends, relatives, whomever you care, so that everyone could benefit out of it. Thank you.